What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto. As you already know, my channel is all about price predictions. So we'll be going over majority of the coins today. As always, for my past streams, I've been going live almost every day. Yesterday I couldn't do it. There's some stuff I had to take care of, so I do apologize who was waiting on me. I do apologize, but I'm back now. Just only been a day, so I'm sure y'all not too worried. But anyways, yeah, today we're gonna go over some price predictions on different coins. I know that Sheba was put on Coinbase. That's why a huge buy just went up, because I'm sure everyone's trying to hop in, and another exchange where Sheba is able to be bought at. So that's a really exciting news for Sheba. It's finally breaking out of this long consolidating trend for a really long time. So it finally broke out. Now we might see an upside on Sheba. But before we get to Sheba, let's go ahead and of course talk about Bitcoin here. So a couple days ago, we did see there's a I think it was on the 1 hour chart here. Yeah, there's a golden cross. So if I broke out of this resistance here, let me go ahead and look at the 4 hour here. Let me change it to the line here. Let me see. Yeah, okay, that's about it. Okay, cool. So like I said before, if y'all tuned into my previous live streams, every time a candle or market structure breaks out of resistance or support, they always have to retest. So I do see a lot of YouTubers talking about, oh, is this the next coming dump again, blah 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 blah. No, I don't think it is. Like I said, every time it breaks out resistance or support, it will have to retest, and right now it's retesting, right? So once it retests, I'm sure it will start going back up from here. Let's go ahead and draw an arrow. So it's retesting, right? So I'm sure once it does retest, it'll start going back up. And let's go ahead and draw a Fibonacci retracement here. I think let's just swing high. It might actually be this one here. Okay. So yeah, so for a fact that I'm sure it's it's retesting this resistance right now, and then I'm sure it will start heading back up from there. So yeah, this is it's pretty solid for Bitcoin here. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, this looks it looks like a similar pattern here, like it was in here, broke through, retest twice. So broke through, it's gonna retest. I'm sure it's gonna go back up from here, probably go to the $50,000 mark here, right? And then from there it's gonna jump up to the 53, and then from there let's go back up to the 60,000, close to the 60,000. So before I said that September is usually it's a bad market for Bitcoin, just because of the patterns that happened in the previous years. So September is a bit rough for Bitcoin. However, once September ends, I'm sure it's gonna start, going up really, really high. Cool. And everyone, feel free to, ask some questions. Drop in the comments down below. Ask me on live chat. Whatever preference, I'll be happy to answer them. Alright, cool. So that's Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and move on here and check out Ethereum. Alright. Let's go ahead and move into a 4-hour chart here, see what's going on. Okay, so it did went up, broke through it, retested, went back up, but however, it went back down. So what does that mean? Let's go ahead and draw a Fibonacci retracement here from the swing low to the swing high, hitting at the 0.5. So it will be a good indication to, for me personally, to buy here at the 0.5, because it's because obviously it's still an uptrend, right? And this 200 moving average is like a strong support. So as long as it doesn't break through this 200 moving average, it will continue going back up. But as far as for my Fibonacci retracement, it's testing at the 0.5. So it's, I feel like I'm really sure that it's gonna start going back up. Okay. 0.5, yep. Alright, right here, I'll go ahead and draw a box. Boom, right there. Okay. Let's go ahead and draw this a different color, because I think let's make it green like that. Okay. Cool. All right, cool. This is Ethereum. So we're pretty much solid from here. Is at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. I'm sure for a fact they start going up from here. Okay. It's a huge upside, and it has to, you know, like I said, it always has to retest, and then this could be the new swing low, and the next one is gonna be the new swing high, somewhere around this area right here. Probably, honestly, we'll probably catch up to the 4,000 mark. Okay. Cool. All right, let's move on to Litecoin here. Alrighty. So I've been noticing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoins kind of like following the same pattern with each other. Let's go ahead and remove all of this so you know what we're looking at. Alright. Okay. So it's touching this 200 moving average. This 200 moving average it could be considered as, like, you know, a support. So as long as it doesn't break through this 200 moving average, it will you know, we won't go down as a downtrend. I believe that it should be going up from here. Let's go ahead and draw a Fibonacci retracement. Let's swing low to swing high. So it's at the 0.618. So it's a good indication here. That's where you want to have your, like, 0.5, 0.618 is a good indication where you want to buy it at, usually. So yeah, there's nothing we could do here. I mean, it did broke out the consolidation, but now went back inside the box now. So I think it just created another swing low. I think from here it's gonna start going back up. So damn, what happened? Look at this long wick. It just, like, damn. I just noticed that just now. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and move on here. Let's go ahead and look up at Vechain. Alright, cool. So I did create a Fibonacci retracement on, I think, on a monthly. Hold on, because I want to see it in a bigger picture, right? So here to here. So this candle is at the 0.5, which is a good sign, right? weekly. Yeah, just hovering just above the 0.5. I believe, what's this? This is a weekly, right? I think sometime next week we'll be able to see hopefully an upside right here on the next candle. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour here. Feel free to ask questions, anyone. All right. I'm just gonna move this because it's kind of distracting me here. Okay, so looking at this, it's hanging on this resistance line right here. Oh, sorry, not resistance, support. It's hanging on this support line right here. It tested it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 times. So as long as it does not break this, then we won't see a downtrend. Hopefully we'll start seeing an uptrend from here as long as it doesn't break it. You know, looking at the moving averages, it looks like it's about to go as a downtrend here, so we just have to wait it out. I want to say it would be a good time to buy, so we just gotta give it more time in order to see if it's gonna break through this support and it might just go lower, or it's gonna start reversing. Okay. Let me see here. Let's look at that 1-hour chart here. All right. Yeah, we'll just have to be patient here and see where this takes us. Usually, when this usually happens, I'll usually like tend to buy just because it retested it several different times, like 4 times, right? So looking at this pattern, it will most likely will go up from here, but who knows, right? Like I could be wrong. It could just break through it, or it could be a false breakout, right? The only way for it to confirm if this is a breakout is it breaks through it. You have to wait at least 3 candles in order to confirm that this is gonna be a downtrend. Okay. Alright, cool. So we'll just wait that out. Let's go ahead and move on here. Let's go ahead and check out Chainlink. Alright, so this is my price prediction 2 days ago. It did break out this resistance, and it says here retest, which it did, but however it didn't break through. Okay, so let's go ahead and move all of this here. Let's see, maybe look at the 4-hour here. Yeah, let's go ahead and remove that. I'm thinking it's like hanging around the 0.7. Oh no, it's actually at the 0.8. Okay, it's at the 0.618. Okay, cool. So that's a good sign. We'll just have to see if it's just hopefully it doesn't break through this. But the candle is above the 200 moving average, so as long as it doesn't go through that as a downtrend. I mean, if it breaks through the 200 moving average, it would be considered as a downtrend, but hopefully it doesn't break through it. Because as you can see, the 200 moving average tried to break through it, did not. Right here, it retested a couple of times, did not break through it, went shot back up. So hopefully it does the same exact thing from here. Because look at this, false breakout, went up, false breakout, went up, false breakout. So we might see a same pattern here. Alright, cool. That's Chainlink. Let's go look at FTX here. Alright, same exact thing. 200 moving average. So I'm assuming that this market here is gonna touch this 200 moving average and hopefully go back up from there. But looking at the 1 hour, it did golden cross happen. It's going down. I'm thinking it's gonna hit this support here, the $60 support line, and hopefully it doesn't break through it. If it did, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go down to the 53, because that's where the other multiple times the candles try to break through that. So look at the 1 hour. I feel like it might go down even more, probably at the 60, and I think that 60 is where that 200 is. So like I said, it's probably gonna hit the 200, and hopefully from there it can start going back up. Okay. All right, cool. So nothing like, I don't have to add anything, like any like edits. We'll just leave it at that. Just by looking at the market structure, it's gonna hit this 200 where the $60 is, and then from there, hopefully it will start going back up. All right, so let's move on. Cardano. Everyone's talking about Cardano right now, so look at this. Check this out. So I think it was 2 days ago. I created two options. One is it's gonna break out, retest, and go back up, or second, it's gonna go down even further, retest here, and might go down. So right now is option 2. It's actually gonna go down here, or it just might just chill on this support line and just consolidate a little bit and hopefully break out somewhere. So right now, let's go ahead and look at the hourly. So they did break out a bit, but I do see a sign of like weak selling power here. So we'll see. We just gotta give it a couple more candles, probably like one more after this one, just to confirm that this could start being a downtrend. Okay, so the golden circle happened up here. Yeah, it's just riding along this downtrend I drawn out. Because honestly, what could happen here is it goes up here, it hits this trend line, and then go back down. So there's several different factors that could happen. However, if this green moving average crossed this 200 moving average, which is this blue line, is gonna be a strong sign for a golden circle. And golden circle, it indicates a strong either uptrend or downtrend whenever those moving average cross. So you got the 50, you got the 200, and a lot of pros or experts, I would say, use these type of indicators to predict, long-term trends. So let's wait it out. There's no rush. Just wait this out. Let's see if it crosses this green and this blue. Hopefully we'll find out by tomorrow. I don't think tomorrow it will cross. I think it will give a couple of days, maybe like at least 3 days, to see if it does cross or not. Or it could be a fake out. One of the two. Alright, cool. This is Cardano. Let's go ahead and move on to Solana. So Solana is actually in a downtrend here. It was doing really solid ever since that, not this past Tuesday, but the previous Tuesday. That's when the whole liquidation happened with Bitcoin. So that's when the market was kind of like tanking. But Solana was holding strong. But now I was coming from an article that there's some updates that happened with Solana, and from there it just started like going down. So give me just a moment. I'm pretty sure the music is not loud on your guys' end, but on my end it's pretty loud, so I had to tone it down a bit. Alright, cool. So let's see where this is at. So past this resistance, it might I'm sure it's gonna retest here and then hopefully go back down. So I'm thinking it's gonna hit here, it's gonna retest, and then go back down here to the 125 where this blue moving average is. Especially that's where the strong support is, because you always gotta look at the right side and then you gotta make sure to compare on the left side. That's gonna determine where is, you know, the support levels or the resistance levels, right? Okay, so I think that's gonna be the prediction. It's gonna hit retest and then come back down, hit this 125. I think from there, hopefully it will start, Solana start going back up. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. That's it for Solana. We gotta look at Polygon. Okay, Polygon. Let's see, let's go ahead. Oh, so right here we could draw a Fibonacci retracement. So see, where's this at? Right about the 0.618. That's kind of where the support level is, right here. So to me, what I'm looking here is still like in this little consolidating phase here, right? There's no trend that's happening right now. It's like it's literally just in this own area right here, right here, just in this little area. So we'll just have to wait until it gets out of this consolidating level, and then from there hopefully we'll find out where it's gonna go. Hopefully this green moving average will cross this blue, and then from there it'll be a strong indication that it's gonna be an uptrend. All right. Okay, hold on, where did my music go? Oh, I finished. Okay, there you go. Sorry about that. All right, so yeah, for Polygon we'll just have to wait it out. You know, there's no rush. We just gotta wait it out and to see where the market's gonna go. Because, right, so when it comes to trading, there's several different principles, right? You know, you got the risk management. You gotta know like what you're comfortable with when you're putting in a trade, and also patience is one of them. Patience is really a key to when it comes to investing and trading. So from here, you just kind of have to wait it out and to see where the market structure is gonna go. Because if you just want to buy like right now because like, ooh, it's going down, it might even just go down even further, and you just want to buy, or like you could buy at right here, and then all of a sudden it just starts tanking lower. You get a lose a ton of money. So right now we just want to wait it out to see which trend is gonna go, and then from there, you could decide either you want to buy more or not. You know, so it's just really all about patience when it comes to investing. All right, cool. So we're just gonna look at Sheba. So Sheba, like I said before in the beginning of the stream, Sheba just got listed on Coinbase, so that's why this huge buy power went up, because a lot of people are buying now because now it's on Coinbase. And Coinbase, if you guys don't know what Coinbase is, Coinbase is a currency exchange, a really popular one, and that actually went on IPO in actually the stock market. So I'm sure you guys heard of it. Coinbase is an exchange that I use personally, and there's other exchanges that I use too, but Coinbase is one of them. So since Sheba is on Coinbase now, a lot of people get to buy on that exchange. So right now, from swing low to swing high, the 0.5 mark area here, and then now it's chilling about the 0.382. So this is a good sign right here. Let me go ahead and draw a circle. This right here, remember I said about the golden circle, about the blue and the green? So in 36 minutes, we'll see this confirmation that's gonna crossed or not, because right now it is crossing, right? But I believe the next candle is going to determine. Okay, I don't think it's this candle. I think it's the next candle when it closes. That's going to determine if it's going to be a strong uptrend. So for all the Sheba investors out there, this is a really good sign. Because right now it's Sheba's really low. Dude, you can honestly get, like, if you put in, I think it was like $60, I believe, you could get like 7 million Sheba coins, I believe. I know it's a lot. It's definitely in the millions for sure. Alright, cool. This is for Sheba. We'll just go ahead and wait this out. So it's not gonna be this candle, it's gonna be the next candle. And this is in a 4-hour mark. So let's get hit 1 o'clock, from 1 o'clock. So 5 o'clock we'll have to look at it here. So hopefully by tomorrow we might see a huge uptrend and start going back, because in the monthly, when Sheba first opened up, damn, I opened up all the way up here. So opened up in May 1st, and then just tanked all the way down. So now, hopefully looking at that blue and green golden circle, hopefully this is a good sign for it to just start continue going back up. Especially it's on Coinbase now. Like, a lot of people could start buying now on Coinbase. Alright, cool. So that's Sheba. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. I think the next one would be, we did Cardano already. I think the last one will be Doge. Okay, Doge is still in this on the support level here. Alright. Yeah, this is honestly just chilling on this support level. Let's go ahead and check on the daily. Yeah, okay. So looking at this market, this price action, right? It's going down, it's going down, going down. So the selling power is getting weaker and weaker and weaker. So what that means is we might be able to see a huge upside for Doge. Right? This is the 2-hour mark. Okay. So right now we just gotta be patient. We just gotta see where this this market is gonna go. Is it either gonna break through this support, or is gonna just go parabolic and create a golden circle and start going up, start going on the upside. So Doge, we just gotta wait for. Okay. All right. I think that should be it. I think we went through all the coins already. All right. So yeah, like I said, everyone, feel free to drop a drop a comment below if you have any questions, or chat with me live. If you do like my content, please support me. I usually go live every single day. There are moments when I don't go live. That means it's a sign of I'm really busy catching up on some stuff, or I'm out of town, you know, just life stuff, right? But for me, like, I do my best to go live every single day. So with that said, please, if you like my content, please hit that thumbs up button, drop a subscribe so you could get my notifications, that you could tune in every time I hop on. All right. So without further ado, that should be it. Until next time, y'all.